Hi, good evening everyone. My name is DJ Shwant. I am studying in class 8. Today we are going to discuss about subject chemistry, topic matter. Now let us start discussing about this. Matter means anything which occupies space and has mass is called matter. Mainly matter is divided into two types: physical classification, chemical classification. And coming to physical classification, it is divided into solids, liquids, gases, plasma, Bose condensate. And in chemical classification, one pure substances and second one mixtures. In pure substances, elements and compounds. In elements, there are metals, non-metals, metalloids, noble gases. With the elements which show metals and non-metallic properties, they are called metalloids. Compounds, they are divided into organic compounds, inorganic compounds. Mixtures, we already know homogeneous mixtures, heterogeneous mixtures. Homogeneous means same phase, heterogeneous means different phase. Yes. Now let us discuss about compound and mixtures. Compounds means the substances which are two or more substances which are combined in fixed proportion by weight are called compounds. And mixtures. Mixtures means the substance two or more substances which are combined in any proportion of weight which do not undergo any chemical change. Now coming to next point, physical classification of matter. The matter is mainly divided into three types: solids, liquids, gases. In solids, the molecules are very tightly packed. We can see in this diagram. And in liquids, a little bit loosely packed. In gases, they can move freely. And now coming to their properties, they have definite shape and volume. Now this is packed very tightly, so that they do not move anywhere. And in liquids, no definite shape but have definite volume. No definite shape means this molecule can be here, but in solids this molecule should be in its own place only. It can't go anywhere. And in gases, no definite shape and no volume. It can go anywhere. And next one, cannot be compressed. Can we now compress this marker? No, because this is a solid. And liquids, they flow higher to lower. Now let us take a container of water and we can pour from here to higher to lower, but we can't pour freely from lower to higher. And in gases, they can be compressed very easily. We get compressed because their molecular function is like that. Very small intermolecular space. Here this space is called intermolecular space. Very less we can observe. And small intermolecular space, not large, not small, not very small, little bit small. And very large intermolecular space, very large, very large. Coming to examples of this. Now marker and whiteboard, book, etc. And liquids, oil, water mainly, and juice and more. In gases, best example is air. In air, nitrogen gas, oxygen gas, and etc. And this is about the physical classification of matter. Today we have discussed about first matter, and from that we have known about compounds and mixtures and classification of matter. This is called physical classification of matter. In previous we have discussed that physical classification of matter: solids, liquids, gases, plasma, Bose condensate. Mainly they are differentiated into three types. So we have also discussed about this. And thank you.